If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To duplicate an estimate in QuickBooks Online Plus, hover over the Sales link in the navigation bar, and then click the Estimates link in the side menu that appears to open the Estimates page. Then find the estimate to duplicate in the Estimates list. Then, click the drop-down arrow under its Action column and select the Duplicate command to open a copy of that estimate within a new estimate window. The new estimate shows the next available estimate number. Also, text appears at the top of the new estimate that states this is a copy of an estimate. Edit and save this copy of the estimate as usual. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.